Assalamualaikum friends, I hope you're quite well, and here is CDR Tri Fold Templates for CorelDRAW. So you can edit everything in CorelDRAW, but these are protected password in this app. Go to Google Play Store, buy now for lifetime. Here is my Facebook page, join me, and last is my Telegram channel, Sheri Official. Subscribe this. I will provide every notification of video or data first here like this one. Okay, for example, open this one in CorelDRAW, unlock, and now you can do anything. You see here, you can change color. Here is arrow, and here is a text font. Simply mean you can do anything. Okay, and next is this one. Sorry for background noises. And here you can import picture. Okay, unlock group. Simply you can do anything. I hope these are useful for you. Subscribe me and download this app for password. Take care. Allah Hafiz.